Let's take a walk down the stream, the stream, the stream. There now. Hey, might step in the poop. Eh?
You can do that. You can do that. You say so.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry every day.
Well. Good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Yes, so this morning, we're going to head down to Olaba, to meet up with the Cameron family, as you can see from the title, because, with the last adventure, we never really could go well with the contents, Huh? Yeah. So we did promise to go and meet them back, so that is the plan. That's what we're gonna head down there, to go and visit them, to do another adventure, to cook and eat some lobster and some fish. Okay, the camera family is good at cooking, so that is going to be the plan for today. As I said, guys, the road chef is doing a 2-day road, so he's on the work, trying to make ends meet right now, so we have to give him that time to go and put some money in his pocket. So while we're here, we just want some time, give you guys some content, and the Mwango. So we're gonna head up with the Cameron family, because we all know the Cameron family is good in the kitchen, the thing goes already, so that's where we're gonna head to and bring you some cooking vibes, so I'm here to meet D. Then we're going to head out, but I think I'm going to stop at Iowa Spice to get myself some porridge, because I had nothing to eat as yet, so a porridge will be good in this morning, from Iowa Spice. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm down here at the waterfront, nice morning, bright and sunny morning, as you can see, bright and sunny. Yes, my general. Yeah. Alright. So I call you when time I come on for the toll. Are you there back again, yeah? Come forgot. Come down. Alright then. Yeah. Quiet sea morning, guys. It's quiet sea morning. Very quiet. So yeah, so guys, so stay tuned for that. Waiting for D to come down so we can literally head out. So guys, remember, please, when you're watching, put the thumbs up. If you're watching now, you haven't put the thumbs up, just please remember to put the thumbs up while you're watching. Thank you so much for your support. I thank you for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. But when you put the thumbs up and you like the video, it helps boost the video, you know, YouTube can recommend it, you know, to new audience because they notice that the video has been liked a lot. So while it's been liked a lot, that means something good is going on that video, you know. And please leave positive comments, you know. Please get out there with all these negative comments. As I say, eat right, make your mind right, you know. Stop being that negative type. That's how you want to live your life. It's not good for you. You cannot be healthy, so that means you're not healthy. So you need to get healthy and live life, right? So we leave all judgment to the Almighty. You know, who is me or you to judge? Come on, right? If you want to be a judge, go study feet, go in the courthouse and be a judge, right? Just stay focused, you know, and show love. What is it? You know, what are you gonna lose to show a bit of love? You're not gonna lose sleep. You're not gonna lose no sleep just to show love, right? You cannot. It's impossible, you know. So Waterfront, beautiful front, guys. Very, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful morning, as I can see. Nice, peaceful and quiet. Oh, I did bring my drone. Here is this one. It shrink. This is a Lamborghini.
Nah.
It lose weight. But don't give because there wasn't no parking. But
if you park here, they come and get you.
Yeah, there was parking here. Morning.
Morning, guys. Hope you all doing well. Welcome to Keynote Life in Jamaica. Walking in the middle of the road. Woo, the breeze. Feels so good. So, guys, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think about today's video. Look behind you.
It's okay. We're on the road.
You're on the road? Yeah. Oh, wow. So guys, we outside again, and it's a good day to be alive today, honestly.
Only today we're alive every day. Only for today?
No, every day. I'm just saying for today. You know, get out of the road. It's a good day to be alive, really. Also in Jamaica.
Bright. It's bright morning though. It's very, very bright. Yeah. You know, usually we're getting some rain. No rain.
Yeah.
No rain. Very, very nice.
Because of the sun, I decided to put on this top that has long sleeves so that the sun doesn't get me so much. Yeah.
I bring my long sleeve as well because you know I love my long sleeves.
Yeah, I'm also for the water. Hey. And I have so many scratches on my legs because last week I was just in the river, like so many. I just checked it out, like what?
Mosquitoes?
No, like bruises.
Oh yeah.
In the waterfall, in the bushes, going, you know.
That's the reason why I don't like to go into like water without the water shoes.
Scratches show me like I'm full of courage and I'm outgoing. If you find a flawless woman, she never go nowhere. But the one who is scratch, just ask her what happened. She'll tell you, oh, I was going to the waterfall and this happened. So yeah, this place is so beautiful, guys. I love it. Don't it?
Very much.
Look at the grass, like it even doesn't feel real. It's real actually.
Yes.
And it's not carpet.
No.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's very, don't you like the settings down here is so nice, very, very nice. Especially when the sun is like this.
Maybe guys, I'm not so sure. Maybe today is the last day you're seeing me on Kino's videos. Then you start asking, where did D go?
Do you have to go about our business, right?
D gone already? Maybe. Yes, maybe not. Because this is my last weekend.
Yeah. Maybe. So who knows? Maybe this is our last video on Kino Life in Jamaica for now.
Yeah.
For now.
For now, for sure. For now.
Yeah, for now. Hot.
My bum burn up.
I want to go quickly go to Ibos Spice to get a porridge.
Oh yeah. Hey, the what? The smoothie.
Oh, you want to get smoothie? I want to get a porridge.
That was so good. Anyway, guys, we outside, man, every single day trying to do something. So you'd rather subscribe if you haven't already. You know, and guys, I don't know what to say, but I don't want to say it on camera. Maybe I'll tell you.
Okay.
Like, a friend of mine just gave me shocking news in the morning. And I was like, oh my god, like, how could that happen? I was like, it just caught me so much. And I told myself, you know what, just live every single day like with so much joy and happiness, and you know, don't worry so much, just live every moment of your life. Just the other day I was at home, I was having a good time with my mom, our dogs and everything. Right now it's memories. Can you imagine that? Just yesterday. So every day
it's something different.
it's something different. Live every moment for real, and just be grateful.
What is it?
Yeah, and try. I just don't know, and just try and do what, eat healthy. Honestly, what you eat is what you are. Nowadays, lifestyles affects our health so much.
The mental as
You
well.
know, yeah. So there's so many things going on, but it's gonna be okay.
For sure. Yes, guys. So so the thing goes already. So we're gonna take our time, head down to the Cameron family, you know, which is gonna be down in Olaba. But first, we're gonna make a stop at Ibos Spice, you know.
Get something.
Yeah, I'm gonna try get some porridge.
Yesterday I won a competition. But that burger was so good. Oh my god. And so healthy.
I'm telling you.
You know, until you feel like, after eating it, you don't feel like you've eaten too much things.
Don't you?
Nah.
So just slide down like whoops. Like it wasn't even
It made
there.
me sleep quick and fast yesterday. I was so full. I went back home and I had to shower again so the food can go down. That was so good though.
Yeah, it was good though. I'm not even lying. It's really good. Ibos Spice, pick up yourself. You know, you get the thing right.
Yeah, I need to learn that.
Hey, I can learn, you know, I get it right for now. Because his touch is different, you know.
Maybe I'll try to do it my own style.
Yeah, you can. And just try it with the breadfruit first, you know. Roast the breadfruit. And then I think you have to cut it and fry it. What happened, D?
Nothing happened.
Yeah. But I really do like Ibos Spice. The porridge, I really like the porridge at Ibos Spice. Like,
I've never tasted the porridge.
It's peanut, banana, and plantain with sweetened with molasses.
Wow.
So nice, you know, healthy. That's the way to life. So guys, remember, stay tuned. We on that road.
Yep.
Well, guys. We just touched down here at the Cameron HQ. You know, we just touched down there with Diana, the Mangrove.
And again, we're going to eat the oysters.
Yes, more oysters.
That is it.
Yeah.
If it oyster can't work, we will give steamed fish and okra.
Give a kid a steamed fish,
With
okra.
Yes, guys. So we have the Cameron family here. Cameron
man.
himself. So give yourself a shout out.
Yeah man, bless up guys. So today we're out here with Mango and Kino, life in Jamaica. Yeah man, we're going on an epic catch, clean and cook adventure out on the ocean. So let's hope they can manage it guys, because the weather kind of a little bit choppy, but you don't know when I can we guess them our way, you know? Going on a bad weather. So we're gonna stay closer to land. Catch some fish. And catching fish with me guys is a must.
Yeah.
So we're not dead for hungry today. We're not have to go buy no chicken as I did.
Yeah,
man.
last time. You know. So guys, so hopefully then we're going to catch something. It's a must.
Yeah man. So
if we don't catch, we'll pull, right?
Yeah.
Simple. If we
Shane
don't
was
catch,
like, I know how to shoot them.
The Cameron Family TV guys, go over and check out the channel.
Yeah.
A lot of fishing adventure, cooking and all of that over there. Only for family stuff too. So, you know.
And the link will also be in the description, guys. So you know you can go and check it out. You know, the Cameron family. So you know this one's gonna be an epic one. You know the thing goes already. I remember the one girl is here. She's gonna cook.
So tight sometimes.
So guys, so this is what what's this New Harbour?
Old Harbour.
Old Harbour Bay.
Old Harbour
How
Bay.
can you say New Harbour?
You have New Harbour up here.
Old Harbour.
No, you have New Harbour also.
Yeah, New Harbour
okay.
up that. Up where the steam level.
Okay, so you have New Harbour and Old Harbour. So this is Old Harbour Bay. This is literally how it is now after the hurricane. Remember the hurricane passed through here as well too. So as you can see, the Cameron family they kinda under construction. This is the blooding as well too, I think. You know, so everything is kinda people kinda set back themselves, you know, a bit from how it was before, you know, so it's not so bad as well too. So we have a fisherman here as well too. Say a fisherman to me, General?
Yeah man, go there man.
Oh yeah, okay.
One take me and make me not rush now.
Yeah, yes. That's this we call this the engine. Camera, I'm gonna need one of them buckle of the sauce again to bring home, you know.
Oh, John, no. Alright, what me I go do? Cause I not have none back light. So me have to go just when we use this today.
Just give me it again. Yes.
Yeah man, I can carry home.
Of course, cause trust me.
Man.
Nice.
Man.
Even when I cook, I put some in the pot, same
man,
way.
anything when you eat.
Anything when I make a sandwich, I put some in the sandwich. Nice.
Yeah man, it go well with anything. Yeah man.
Yes guys, because in the sauce that they use for the oysters, you know, I did literally like use some, you know, in my food. If I'm making a sandwich, I make it like literally put it in my sandwich as well to put it anything that I want, you know. So that was the best taste I ever get, you know. It makes you eat so many oysters. That's the reason why people love this oysters too. You know what? You need to get water.
Yeah. We need some drinking water.
Yeah. So the sea is not rough today? No?
Not really.
But it looks like it has been
Which part where I go?
Yeah.
Not really, no, rough.
Okay.
It looks like the rain has been
Yeah, enough rain fall on here. The sun is not shining too much neither. So guys, so you know, I'm in my car, so protect myself from the sun. You know, protect from the sun. Even though the sky is kind of overcast, you know, not much. So at least it's not that bad. I need the water. Let me show you a bit of what the place looks like. So as you can see, most of these stands still standing after the hurricane pass, you know. Even though it was really bad down here after a while, but it was okay. People kind of get back, put some work in.
Start the work up, you know that. Go curl up on your girl when she a fear period. You don't know gangsta chat. Fool, come on. I'm going to make it. I don't know me. I'm this one, this, that, this one, this, that, this. I'm this one, this, that, this one, this, that, this.
As I can see, the water is not clear today because of the bad weather. You know, because of the bad weather, the water is not clear today. You know, it's not that clear. It's not that blue, crystal, pretty water that we're gonna get today. Not at all. No, 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 no. Today we're gonna get that brown water, you know, but let's still enjoy same way. You know. Let's enjoy same way. Why not? I got everybody here, you know. So I'm gonna go to the shop to get some drinking water. Also some juice, you know, and ice. Because I'm gonna be across there for a little while. So I guess we need to bring the igloo. And also the igloo as well, because, you know. Remember to put the thumbs up, you know, if you reach this far and you haven't put the thumbs up, welcome to Finalizing in Jamaica. So today we're gonna have a really nice time. Trust me. Come, let's take a walk down the stream. Let's take a walk down the stream, the stream, the stream. Diana, hey, my step in the poop.
You can do that. You can do that. You say sorry. How can you trick me like that?
You want to deal like she's skipping. Like
I'll get you.
Hey, guys, remember?
Frank, and I'll have to
remember we always do that as a little child growing up when you're walking and say, hey, my step in the poop. And you're like, He was skipping just now. Imagine that. That's the first I heard of that one though.
Yeah.
That's something new.
But I thought it's true.
It's
like,
not new, you know. It's been there since a child. That's what we always do. Like, hey, my step in the poop. And like a spit, like, don't do that. Don't do that.
I'll get you there. I'll get you on a good one.
Yeah. Alright, then let me see which one she's gonna get, man.
Yeah.
Do you feel like she's skipping?
I feel like riding. Oh, wow, the rain has been so much here.
Yeah, as you can see.
Tell all this place was flooded.
Yeah. So bad as well too.
Yeah, because the people who live here, their things flooded, their house, everything.
Yeah, and you can see like there was some house was here or something.
Yeah.
So bad. They really get it bad here. There as well too. So this is literally the first time.
You're stepping some poop.
Is it? You trying to help me? And I say you do
How
it.
can you just say, is it? Just
No,
like that.
you're not supposed to do it like that. You must tell how you do it. Like if you're walking and you say, just walking and say, hey, mine stepping in the poop.
I like to
Yeah. So say mine, you step in the poop. So by the time you say mine, you step, they're gonna already start looking. So you say poop, you're like, you know, so that's how you have to do it. Go on, say it.
Okay.
Say it.
Mine is step on the poop.
No, mine step in the poop.
Okay, mine is step in at the poop.
Yeah.
In at the sheet.
No, not shit.
Why?
Or you can say fart. Mine step in the fart. Anyway, you comfortable saying it.
I think I should get a boy. They look so good. Just live in the island.
Yeah, this is a big one.
Yeah.
This one is big. This one.
Carry 1,000 people.
This is the one that take it to Africa. Yeah.
With all your belongings.
Yeah.
All your house.
But this one is really big still.
Yeah.
This is big. So many boats.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good for, it's a nice investment, you know.
Having a boat.
Yeah. And get the right person to monitor
Hey,
it.
bad mind can't stop me.
Bad
Love
mind.
the cure.
Bad mind can't stop me.
I love that. I wish I had my phone to take a picture. And have people making the nets.
Yeah, they're making the nets over there.
Yeah. I think they are waiting for us.
No? He's not back yet.
Where did he go?
He says he's gonna get he says he's gonna get. He's gonna get. Oh yeah, jacket. He come with the jacket. Oh yes, the jacket. He said he's gonna get the jacket.
In Jamaica, people get jackets.
Life jacket, no fear.
No, guys, if you know the jacket Devonga is talking about, let me know.
Of course.
Give me a jacket.
And make sure it fits too. You know, like
Give me a jacket.
she get a jacket. You know your baby father. You know,
Yeah, now you said everything.
give him something well fitted. Give him something well fit. Tuxedo. They give a tuxedo. Oh, we need to get the water.
Well prepared with the jacket.
Worse. You have to be well prepared in life, you know. So if anything, I can float. Well, don't you really get some damage? It wasn't like this. Really get damage, you see? Leave it back there. Cameron, I get the water. No. Where the shop there on the corner?
At the corner here, where we went the other day, right?
I just want to one.
Yeah.
Yeah, water and juice.
Water and juice.
Yeah.
Go by yourself.
Eh?
Go by yourself and make it fine.
Can't go with him, man. Yeah. See there, have no fear. Jacket is here.
The shop is on the other side.
Yeah. Have no fear because the jacket is here. Alright, my general. Big up, big up. Have no fear, the jacket is here. Everything good, my general? My own face? Last time they come and check you. Alright, big up, big up. Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Guys, we want to get some water and welcome to Old Harbor.
Yeah, that I notice. Well underwater.
Big rain here. Safety first.
Of course. Them say safety first. Hold it some of the please, my general. Turning our video personnel today. Them say safety first. That is it.
How much is something like this?
You know what, 250 overseas.
Overseas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, put on that more than sorry, eh?
Don't it? Put it on more than sorry. It's a safe than sorry. Yeah. Cheers. Guys, so the water today. Hey, D is struggling.
Yeah, and step over again. Watch that up now. Push that near back.
Put it in the bag. Do you get caught in the net? Do you get caught in the net?
Anything in it, get that picture.
Yeah. How next side?
What's a day?
What a day when the able shelter.
That you would have me and him go and see.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, make it start this channel.
Okay, I'm seeing with them cameraman and do. Sad. Give yourself a shout out.
So yeah, people, when you see face and hear voice, you know it's about Kieran Adventures. So I want to do for people go over my channel, like, share, subscribe and comment.
Yeah.
I have some great video over there, people. Great video, man. So just check it out.
That is it.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. Kieran Adventures. So you think of Kieran Adventures, you know, so what adventure I get. So check him out. So over there. All aboard? Yeah. All aboard.
That is it. And off we go. I can help you pull that.
Eh?
I am the one. Oh, that side?
Alright, yeah.
Just in case something go wrong. Throw it in when you want to stop.
All aboard. All aboard, all aboard, all aboard.
This is how I'm not the pilot.
Oh. Some fish.
The one I have a crab, you know, the one I have
rather
Eh?
they
The one
don't.
off for crab, the one off for fish.
Oh, for crab.
Yeah, this one off for crab all the while.
Oh, so fish not get caught tonight as well.
Huh?
Fish not get caught tonight
Yeah,
as
sometime.
sometimes.
So it's crab season.
These are the blue crabs, the sea crab. So
Oh,
whether crab season or not, we catch them see them.
okay.
Give it up.
I'd rather take my notes because last time got nothing. Alright guys, we're gonna be
Yeah, weather nice.
I want to show my mom what I'm doing. No right. Tarisi vumbe kamera nkoroki. Tago kumaha.
Kaka kumaha.
Yeah. Tago kumaha.
Kaka kumaha.
Nkoroki.
Nango.
Narisikia. Ramaha itu tuko kwa maji tunavua samaki. Si nitakupigia baadaye. Acha nitakupigia nikitoka hapo. Sitaki simu ianguke. Sawa, Kino amekusalimia.
Mambo vipi?
Fine. Oh,
She haven't had that.
Mambo
Who
vipi?
told you Mambo Vipi? I've done it that.
No.
Mambo Vipi, Mambo Vipi.
Asante sana.
Where's the way I'm gonna go this now? Now when I snap, I said,
So this is for what, snapper?
alright, so we're gonna try to get snapper now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, snapper.
Okay, so we're gonna try and catch snapper to cook. So you know if we not catch nothing, we not cook nothing.
We bought chicken. And there's no shop to buy chicken.
We can go to the oysters shop over there.
Yeah, man.
Where them got the oysters, you can get all the oysters. You bring the sauce for the oysters?
Yeah, man. Papa, last time we bought that.
Okay. Well, we can't go hungry, we got crackers. We got crackers under there. So guys, if we not catch, we not eat. But when we have crackers, we can eat right now. So we have to go catch. It's a must. You don't usually miss, though. No. We're gonna catch something today for sure. So catch, cook, and eat. If you don't catch, we're not gonna eat. But trust me, we have crackers to eat and water. Sun a shine. No bad weather, no rain, so good. Good to go, good to go, good to go. Just look at the beauty. Nice. If you don't catch, you don't eat. Trust me, we have the crackers for you go eat. I'm telling you. If you don't catch, you won't eat. can't eat crackers though.
Alright,
Right? Cracker. So how long before you catch something?
Right now.
Right now, they throw it off?
Yeah, man.
Right away.
Pull your back. And then we go for your eyes, dash it.
Yeah. Right away, guys. I will throw off for catch something. See that?
Yeah, man.
Moments of truth. If you don't catch, you don't eat. Our day in the sea. No. Coo. Come. Oh. Yeah. We're gonna catch a lot. Fresh. So if we don't catch here right here, so we have another spot, right? Alright. So that nice that you see them knocking, they're literally running the fish to go inside the net. So they're sending off a sound, banging. So the back they're banging, so the fish is gonna run into the net, into the direction. So we keep on going around and around in a circle and keep on knocking. So they will literally go to where the net is. So let's hope we catch something to go and cook. If we don't catch, we can't eat. Can't see and hungry. No. Alright guys, we got some fish. So far we got some fish. So you know, so we're not gonna die for hunger. We got fish. Fish again. Fish over there. So you know we're not gonna die for hunger. DD don't have to buy no chicken. Don't have to eat the crackers are lonely. It's not going in the net. So out there without no fear.
That thing is so funny. We are out here without fear.
Without no fear, the jacket is here. So, come here, boy. Can't hold him. Hey, good boy. Snapper, Bagon, speak to me. I'm really sorry for what's happening, you know. But I like to show you off right now, but them looking. If them wasn't looking, I'd show you off back. Right? Where you say, you want to go? Show you off? You want to go home back? They're begging me, please. Yo, camera, I feel sorry for that fish here. Like him a talk to me and say, please show me off.
Then you're gonna give us what to eat.
Where you say, you want to go? Oh gosh. He's speaking to me, Cameron. We're throwing back in our net.
Survival.
Yeah.
Everything we eat.
This one I speak to me right now. There's the water. Show my Oh, I'm good.
Kina did it.
Yo, that one I gone.
Give Kina the nets. Give Kina the nets, guys. Kina did that deliberately.
Hey, the
Trust
fish.
me.
Listen, the fish was literally speaking to me. Say, yo, I'm gonna jump. The fish gone, guys. Imagine that.
We need to throw you off the boat.
Hey.
Kina, you need to go off the boat.
You know what happened a while ago, Cameron? The fish hypnotized me. Threw me a look upon him. He might talk to me. I said, like, listen, I'm dying. Yeah. That fish hypnotized me, guys. You know, that fish hypnotized me a while ago. Like, I have to do that. Yeah. So, guys, that we eat the crackers and ice that because the fish was literally like, you know, but we got some, so we'll give back some. So that means that everything will be good today on this adventure because we just give back. We save a life, right? We save a life. We save a life. Guys, I have to save a life a while ago. I'm going to save the fish life.
Kina, we are out here looking for fish and you are here saving fish. You deserve a beating. You know that?
Imagine we're out here looking for fish and I'm here saving fish. The fishing is not for me. I swear.
You deserve a beating, you deserve a serious beating, guys. We out here looking for fish and Kina is saving fish. You?
Hey, but here, don't worry. You know what? So I can have crackers and okra and water. You know?
Seawater.
Seawater. No, we have back water.
Seawater.
Back water, guys. So I don't know. I've been sorry for that fish a while ago. Look, something big now.
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, the big one. The big one definitely now get saved. This is in the belly. In the belly. So there's a big one, guys. In the net. So we get some fish though.
That is it.
And if we go to our next spot, we get more fish. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yay.
See that belly full. Belly full. Cameron, you know why that happened? Look at that.
Wow.
See, this is Cameron.
Yeah.
You see how it work? We chew off one fish and look how many fish we get now. Eh? No man, it's a blessing, but we chew off a fish. The same fish go and say, yo, when you go circle a boat, them soon come. Yeah. The fish say, yo, go and check my friends them on the boat. They're gonna chew you back up. Just go. Trust me. But sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Just chew off at least one. Just one you chew back up. And you're good.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Of course. Alright, D, you see? Look, it works. If we never throw up that one fish, who would get so
They were
much
already
fish?
in the net. Stop.
No, it's the same. It's the same fish. When we throw off, go and tell them, say, yo, go in the net, go check out what's on the board. Maybe they throw you back off.
And give you a prize.
Yeah, but thank you. You see, guys, if we never throw up that one fish, who would get so much fish right now? You see me? So the one fish we throw up is like a sacrifice. So the same fish go tell them friends, say, go and check out what's going on the board. There's a nice fella there in them Keen on Life in Jamaica, you know him doing charity, and trust me, he's gonna throw you back off. That's what happened. So the board that works. We get so much fish. Look.
Oh, some
As
mosquitoes.
soon as they stop like now,
Yeah.
yeah, the mosquitoes are the sandfly then. They come down. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna get some ice stuff.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast.
Before the mosquitoes come for
Yeah.
me.
And then we
Alright guys, so we're at the Oyster spot.
What's the name of this mangrove?
red mangrove.
So we're at the
Red
Oyster spot.
mangrove.
Here is where you get the
Okay.
oysters. This is where the oysters born. You know, so oysters born, you have to put baby in our back. You know the thing goes already. So more baby in the back. Straight in the back. That is it guys. You see there? Oysters hunting.
I'm telling you.
Crocodile there.
That is it.
Crocodile now attack like that.
Wow.
Hey, look at what Cameron is
Yeah
holding.
man, we are getting the oyster them off of the mangrove.
He's getting
See
the
them there?
oysters off the mangrove.
So fresh from nature guys.
Yeah.
Yeah man, fresh from nature.
That's how them born.
That is it.
Woman grow.
Yeah, so what we are gonna do? We are gonna just get them and leave. We are gonna eat them round on the island. to
Take them
shower.
off of the net. Just in case some jellyfish
Oh, no,
things on
man.
them.
The jellyfish not up on the last part, yeah.
Yeah, they're coming down. Nice. Let's
You
go.
start feel them?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how the mangrove work. Yeah man, so what we are gonna do now, we are gonna head out back
Yeah.
and go around at the
Spot.
side. Yeah man. The guys here to get the guys down by the campsite. We're gonna look at nice campsite now, no camp cook.
Yeah. Alright guys,
Camp cook
so
and eat the ice that them comfortable without mosquito.
Yeah.
will they catch a lobster today?
What if I them cook now, you know?
What happened to the lobster? Will they catch the lobster today?
Huh?
Will they catch any lobster today?
The lobster.
Yeah.
That me want about with the net in our boat.
Yeah, man. Oh, well, mosquito them a follow. So guys, so we got some oysters, you know. Aye, shit, in there full of mosquito.
Yeah.
Go, and them full of follow. Mosquito them bad.
Adventures, guys. Like here on a video, me a video back in a guys.
Yes, guys. So
Yeah man, that is it man.
we never,
You can't beat me.
yeah. So when I get in the lobster, you know, so we got some oysters, we got some fish.
Malcolm Mosquito Adventures.
Yeah. So we have to drop the net to catch lobster.
You see, when we are pull up the trap them,
Yeah.
the trap them all come right there, so
Oh.
would have it. What could I do? You could have pull them out and come right there, so they can't go empty them.
Oh.
Just keep the net in our boat,
Yeah.
pull them up, go empty them right there, so, and then come back and set them.
Okay.
I kind of act to empty them with the net.
Yeah.
If you don't want to draw a lobster pot, man, you can do that. You can just pull up one right now.
Yeah, man, we could pull up one right now.
Get some lobster.
Yeah.
That is it.
Fish and lobster and oysters. That's a great adventure. Fish, lobster and oysters. That's a great adventure. Basically, fish, lobster and oysters. That's a great adventure.
Okay, another catch again.
No, it's not a catch. It's a
So what?
pot.
Some pot. Okay. Another pot
Next one right
again.
up.
So guys, so my job. So this is where they set the lobster pot. So let us see if anything inside. Any lobster.
I love this life.
Oh, see there? Oh, one. You see one so far.
Oh. Lobster.
Wow.
Wow. What a day!
What a day! Lobster for days.
Cameron, when did you set this?
Huh?
When did you set this?
Just in our day. Just about 7 days ago.
Oh,
Or so.
lobster
Hey!
and fish too.
Look at that, guys. Yo, today is the big day. Today? Oh, Oh, this is the boat that, I was like, what boat? Yeah, for sure, everything is a skill. You have to use your mind. That's how they even catch for sale. You remember there's a day I bought, it was on the road, like two of them like 5,000. It was down in Onchi, right?
Yeah.
So imagine if you catch this whole thing. Oh, they're coming down. Oh, wow. Oh. Why you took that bag?
It's small.
Oh, okay.
Let's go back to small one.
Okay.
Then you can go through.
And me, if you let him go in, I'm here the Lego man. I'm the life savior. But no, you can't on this side. You can't go back over. You crazy.
Might come to over an anchor here. Have to go left way.
Hey.
You have to go swim.
So guys, so we're here now. We're on this island, well, it's a crocodile island. But our eyes is open. But we've been here already, on my last vlog that I was down here, where we literally came over here, we're back in the World War where they used to land their planes as well to an helicopter used to land around here. But hey, Cameron,
Yeah.
Master gonna go on wicked in there, so man.
Yeah, we're light on fire.
Hey.
It's a tree rainfall.
Yeah. Them here enough.
Might come gas on gas.
This guy, there's a lot of mosquitoes as well too, so you know what we go do? We go get some fire sticks and get some fire. Yeah. Look guys, you see? Caution. Crocodile. Do not harm, catch, kill or feed these animals. Enter water at own risk. Crocodile are protected by law. So get some fire stick.
Some of them stick have been maca, Yeah, be careful. Oh, yeah,
So with it, you have the cutlass though, cut up this.
Yeah, it must have the cutlass. Yo, when I squeeze out the gas, I can't cutlass there, yeah. One back in there with gas already, One is a pork muscle.
Fire stick.
Yeah.
There's some fire.
Big ones. Hey, look at how they're following you.
Mosquito them though. God damn, they are singing at me ears like Celine Dion. These mosquitoes. Hey.
The bite is in the head.
Hey.
Last time we never have so much,
So today this is it. They're here today, boy.
Hey, the gas, I'm even feeling the gas is delayed. Let me go bring it.
Come quick.
Well, let me general there. We light up that boy. Light them up quick and fast.
Oh,
Yeah, the green one. In here, me I tell you, man. So guys, so we getting some green bush.
Yo, just put on that.
Just come with that. No waitings. Pick up. Them boy has to leave my island alone. They you now come cook and we not get no blood. And that them say we not cook and we not get no blood. Today we need blood. All of me eye. Your face.
Pumpy.
Them bad still.
They're about to go away.
This is a mosquito attack. This is like definitely a mosquito attack. fire. Yeah, man, smoke them out. Come.
Where's out there? Oh, it's right. They're gonna run away now.
If the fire catch.
Okay.
See fire dead down.
Is that dead down? The way we want to get rid of the mosquito life, we couldn't even wait for the firelight. It look like it's alight. Oh, it wants some more. Hey.
That was so full. Bring more gas.
Go for more.
He threw all of it?
Are they all of it?
What's that thing? This?
No, they want to
Whoa.
mosquito turn up in this then good. They must drop, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Enough of them must drop, man.
They dropped like a million.
Am I bite?
I don't feel any right now. Let them run along.
They must run like a man.
Yeah, man.
Place there.
Go and stay in a smoke liquor, take some smoke. Go and take some smoke. Usually we run from smoke. Now we have to
But now
take the
you want
smoke.
to catch something?
Yeah, no, you want to take
Mosquitoes don't
smoke.
want to bite you.
Oh, see a boy, I'm brave. You got one right on my arm, so. Aye. See me?
They have to come around nice smoke. Yeah, I come right nice smoke there.
So when I smell smoke, they fear.
You want to carry back like that, you know?
So guys, so today this is today catch, as you can see. We got pure lobster. We got oysters for the back. And we got some big snapper.
So
Wow, some big boy them there.
clean them up. So Kino, what you heard about the ice to them? You not ready?
Alright, now I'm ready, man.
You mean?
Ready.
What about the ice to them tell the fish tank clean?
Yeah, ready, I'm ready right now. Oysters in our belly.
Ice to see sauce there.
Fire.
Go. Alright, I'll catch up back to fire.
Ready, I'm ready. That's why me I wonder, so whoop say. Alright. Come on, come right there so with it. Right here. Don't drop, you know. Don't drop. Balance the thing. So guys, so I'm gonna try the oysters right now. So you know the first thing
That's the best lighting.
yeah, it now for cook
Start selling that sauce.
right
For
now,
sure
so we
it's
can
nice.
eat this right now.
Like
Yeah, man.
Cameron.
Yeah, my
So-
plan for
So-
plan to make them and label them.
So see the sauce, yeah. You know I'm carrying this home after
Yeah,
everything.
You know the last time Kino didn't give me 9. Just carry
Carry it right
everything.
home. She never have no use feed there.
Alright, so
First, I'm gonna try the sauce. Cheese.
sauce mad,
Nice.
mad sauce.
Wow. Guys, if you need this sauce, yeah, you can order them from Cameron. Trust me. It's good for having in your house. When you're making any fish, even if you're cooking food, you can also put this on it as well too.
Making any baby.
Sandwich, anything at all.
It's something healthy,
So
right?
it's so nice.
Yeah.
The sauce alone I would have eat it just like
You
this.
know?
Kino, add the sauce.
What is it?
It flows.
Mad,
See eh,
mad thing.
mad thing.
Dano.
And John don't know that one. Yeah. John don't know this one. I don't know. I love the sauce.
Very nice.
That's nice, man.
Yeah. But we're not giving them the ingredients, right? Sorry, guys, we can't give them the ingredients. But I tell you,
But if you want it, order it from Cameron.
Cameron.
Yeah, man, you can just
you can add a buckle, you know, because
Trust me.
depends on the size, price different.
Yeah. But the buckle
Trust
is 2,000.
2,000 for this buckle.
Oh.
Full?
Jamaican, yeah.
Full.
Yeah.
So, guys, you need one of these in your house. If you fry fish,
Put some.
put some on it. You know? This is for the baby. In the back, me no feel lazy. You eat this, you get crazy. If you not make no baby. Wee! Yeah, you ain't trying, you're videoing. You need to try. So when, yeah, so when the Rasta man meet you, you have baby in the back.
Which Rastaman? Stop lying.
I know one. Some to the one at Ochi. She finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man. She finally find the Rasta man.
You're something else.
She gonna take him back to the motherland. Plant cow, plant yam, and raise it. Hey, yo, she finally find the Rasta man. I'm see you find one the other day when he was in Montego Bay.
Another one. Yeah, you watched the video.
So she finally find the Rasta man. Yo, I stand.
Of course, you guys know.
You want one?
Yeah,
Come.
of course. It was nice last time, though.
Yeah, we can catch.
Let me put this one over.
Wee. Come follow me over your camera. Yes.
Oh, okay. And the lighting is so good and nice.
Yeah, man, nice and nice.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to. Oh, it's tired.
Ready?
Just swallow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Tastes good.
Nice.
You want some more and more and more.
Yeah. Baby in a back. Baby in a back. Let me tell you about baby in a back. Baby in a back. Baby in a back. Let me tell you about the baby in a back.
Guys, start
Eat
buying
ice is a
diapers.
baby in a back. Yes.
Yeah, man.
For Kino Junior.
Yeah, man. Kina Junior.
Yeah.
Kina Juniors.
Juniors. This thing you can't have one baby, you have many, man. Many you get, many.
Wicked for you, you know.
Wicked, man. But you
You're not getting any?
You know, I don't want to finish the sauce because I just want to take home, though.
Yeah.
If you finish it, I got man to take home. You have
Oh,
any
you're
more?
removing the green particles.
Yeah, the green part is like a part of the plant.
Oh.
See the sauce,
Come
you
on,
have to get the
mangrove.
sauce. You see
So you
me?
need to move the green part.
Mm.
You have to get the sauce.
Today is that day.
And we need to get, when his name again, the YouTuber, the young YouTuber?
Kieran
Kieran.
Adventures.
Yes, guys, you need to check out Kieran
Yeah,
Adventures,
you're
you know.
cleaning the fish, right?
You
Yes,
clean a
sir.
fish over there.
Yeah.
So,
So you're not getting on.
yeah, boy. Kieran, come here, Kieran.
Yeah, man. Forward.
Come in, come in.
Forward tonight.
Come here. Let people them familiar with your face. So them can check him out.
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm say Cameron, bring him on the scene and Cameron and say, yo, it's time to elevate, you know, because doing this thing is a good of exposure, you know.
For
So this
sure.
is Kieran, you know.
Kieran Adventures.
Kieran
Yeah,
Adventures, guys. You see me? So
That's it,
check
man.
out his link, you know, we'll put it in the description.
He's very helpful.
Yeah, very helpful.
Yeah.
man.
So we say the youth them might do the right thing and not do the wrong thing. I'll say might do the fishing as well too. So guys, so give him the strength. You need 1,000 subscribers.
Hey,
And
by
need-
the time you're watching this video,
Yes.
hey, you
You
should
should
be.
get the 1,000 and
Definitely.
also watch it time. I need a watch time as well. You need 4,000 watch time. So
So the support will keep him going.
yes,
you
please
know?
like and share. You know, tell them a little boy.
Yeah.
Tell them a little boy your channel.
So people, yeah, man. So over my channel, what we do, like we do fishing,
Yeah.
everything about fishing, net fishing, pot fishing, line fishing,
Spear fishing.
spear fishing,
And
kill
cooking.
fishing, everything, people.
We kill fish.
Oh,
Isn't
the
it?
spearfish as well.
Yeah, man.
Oh, a
everything,
big
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. I'm a big swimmer, man. I'm a fish, man.
No.
No, no, I'm a fish.
Not
No, no, that's it. Man, he can swim good.
Can swim good.
Yeah.
The man a fish, but he can swim
Can
good.
swim good. Me a talk boy man a fish.
Yeah, so we might deal with the fish right now.
Yeah.
Yes, a nice snapper we just catch a while ago. Nice. That can eat raw with the ice. Is this also, right?
No, clean him up.
Alright.
More size.
You can't believe some say man a fish. Yeah man.
This is the one.
So guys, remember, check out Cameron Family TV.
Yeah.
Get me to 50,000 subscribers.
Exactly.
Yeah man, on the road to 50k.
Alright, so guys, so
Yeah, man,
go
that's
over
the
and subscribe.
Yeah.
And we have the one right here.
Yeah.
Hey.
9 months
Swallow.
from now guys, you know what's up. D can't walk and go on an adventure.
No.
9 months from now.
And that's so true.
Shall I have a Rasta baby? So the Rasta come from Jamaica? Maybe.
Kid, you know, easy.
Hey.
Maybe.
Maybe. She said she want a Rasta baby.
Real Rasta baby.
Hey, one time I watch on a DVD, man follow D go all boat. I love D.
I tell you,
Everyone,
Yeah,
every
because
kind.
the man follow D.
this is so nice. We can literally just eat this up, drink it off, everything right now. I'm not gonna live.
Yeah,
You know
the
what?
sauce?
The upsetting part would be like, I'm gonna go home with nothing. So I have to take my time and don't
Yeah.
give nobody anything.
Can't go on right now.
Yeah, so I can go hide my sauce.
Yeah,
So.
so that is it.
I'm telling you, this thing is so addictive. Just feel like you want it to flow.
Yeah, man. When I eat them, I will just go and sit down in the boat and just eat them.
Yeah.
Until when you're full.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it, man.
You want more, D?
Every time I talk about eat, you have a problem.
Yeah, no, you nothing,
Eh?
brother.
Consume.
Why the young,
Did I
why,
eat that?
No,
why the young boy,
consume.
them mind
Jamaica have a
so
way
mash
of
up? You
have to know
can't
what
say
you
eat.
said.
As a man, you can't say you eat.
Yeah.
Consume.
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 Why we have to tell you off camera?
Yeah. Can't say you eat in Jamaica. Jamaica you have to fix up your folly girl when you're speaking.
Yeah, boy, you eat.
Put some clothes on your argument. You know? Know what you're saying.
That's true.
Yeah, man. Me have
Know what you're saying because you know what time
Even
it is.
opening it is just a skill by itself.
Yeah.
I just want to lick up. Yeah. Finally.
Wow, when I like this.
So good. And it's healthy, right?
Okay.
It's a healthy thing to eat.
It is an aphrodisiac.
This, without this,
No baby.
I don't think I really want it.
Yeah, man.
Without the sauce, I don't think you will eat the ice sauce.
It's hard to eat without the sauce.
Yeah.
Just
Hard to
insipid.
swallow.
So that is it.
Today, 9 months from now.
Nice.
She get a
Mara
baby.
said if they have a baby, the baby is Mara Junior. If it's a boy, if it's a girl, Rocio.
If it's
And that
you,
naming is so
if
interesting.
it's you, it's DD.
Give the baby a name, guys. Quick and fast.
So guys, name the baby. Name the baby. That is
Rasta Mawanga.
it. Rasta Mawanga.
Because notice they call me Rasta
Yeah.
girl.
So that is the baby's name, Rasta Mawanga.
Rasta girl.
Yes.
Rasta boy.
Alright guys, I'm gonna rest my sauce a bit.
The sauce is magical. It's so nice.
Give more. So good. Cameron, how long you take it to make this?
about 10 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, okay. So if it finish, you go back, you can make some more.
We don't have the ingredients now.
Oh, see? No more.
Okay. I know how we'll get it. All of it. Today is that
No
day.
more. No, sir.
Yeah,
It's
man,
too
that's
bad.
Thank
Bad
you so
man.
much. This
Yeah,
is
man.
nice.
Yeah,
Wow.
man.
And I was so upset when I finished. I put it in all the pots I cook.
Mm-hmm.
We make sandwich, this on it. Put cooking.
You finished it?
Yeah, long time. They don't even last a week.
And the thing is, when it's finished, you can actually eat all of them
Yes.
things. You can them cure
Them cure.
and soak with it.
So that I do as well.
Yeah.
Put it on the sandwich, take out everything and put them on tuna sandwich.
Yeah.
You know, vegetable and everything.
Yeah, man.
So nice.
Nice, man.
So guys,
This
you know the things I'm
adventure is
say.
so good. Normally,
Now we're gonna start out, you know,
look here.
Kieran and start out the fish, and we have lobster. You might just have the oysters, so you know the thing goes already. So stay tuned. Yeah, YouTube as well too. Where you do?
Well,
Yeah.
with your dad, but we didn't film. That place is so good.
So see another youth say I do the thing. See
But me
me.
go tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we left.
Me help Kieran
Yeah.
adventures living.
Okay.
Sun is out and
Okay, so you give them a strength.
Yeah.
blue
Big up adventurous living as well.
Yeah, adventurous living, so you know, say, big up every time, you know. Where you find him again?
Yeah.
Your daddy?
Dream
Island TV.
Yeah.
Daddy, in a day today, what go on?
Yeah, they were drunk.
Dream Island is not here today.
To just leave. But again, it was a rainy day.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
needs a hot day.
Then I want to hear commotion and I say wait. Oh man, we got mineral and man a bad up for my father. But it look like you know say me did it. That's why you have to be careful, you know. When you're going away on a bad of people, you have to be careful because all the people go for the day and you don't know.
Oh.
I said, I jump out of the water.
Yeah, frightened.
I'm telling you.
Yo, when I jump out of the water and rush man.
Frightened.
And at the time start back down. I'm ready for him, you know. The girl, she me say, brother.
Yeah, I remember the girl was mad.
The girl, I said, why you going so?
Yeah.
Leave the people them. Yeah, I will get some seasoning for the fish then now, because we never season the fish then. So we normally season the fish then, but that is it. I will put all the season guys, because we have to drop the lobster them in there as well. Yeah. So
Fresh.
I will ask here and adventure to give you that one. Guys, the short containers, so we wash the lobster in the bag. That is it. Even though I'm washing, I see already. I don't have a whole for washing to do. So I drop them in the pot. Just like that. And lobster not take a long time to cook, guys. So you know, you need a whole for cooking. So we have to add water now after we do this.
Steam down the fish and the lobster.
That's it now. go leave this now. And then go and
simmer
steam down. Simmer down.
Simmer down.
And maybe it go want a little bit more season too. So, you know, I go just it for now. Cause by experience, you know how much season you want. Guys, on a one season we are used, so you know that's why we have to add so much. One type of season.
Hey, look at it. Look at the lobster kicking.
Lobster moving in the pot. Watch it.
Still alive.
Lobster still alive in the pot. Watch it. Watch it.
Make sure it's not fire.
Watch it. All of them are move. All of them are move. Look at that. All of them are move. Yeah, man.
He said, I'm still alive.
And my finger is shaking. My hand is shaking. Guys.
Yeah.
Why?
Because sure you feel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lobster and steamed fish, guys, well steamed down. And we also have the crackers over there. Water crackers. So imagine this.
All they want is just when it grow up, they just let it with mama. When the rest feed part done. Yeah man, so but simmer down now, guys, so we are going to add in with tough crackers them. They say water crackers, but I don't understand that. I mean, there's not water about these crackers.
Add the water to it, it gets soft. I say them water crackers.
Yeah.
You add the water to it,
And it gets soft.
it gets soft.
You have to add water to it. So what we are going to do now, I guess you have to go choke some gravy on them.
Yeah.
Crackers.
Yeah. And them are going to
So
tough.
this is just like dumplings, right?
No.
Them are just some baked dumpling then.
It's like, it's a tougher biscuit.
Yeah, tough biscuit.
Tough biscuit.
Yeah, so when I wet them now, them will get moist and soft. And become soft. Yeah man, so that is it guys. Anyway, it smells nice, you know?
Very.
Smells sweet.
Ready for going in the belly.
Yeah, so I'm going to close it up now and make all of the moisture stay in the pot
Yeah.
and cook the crackers then. So 3 minutes or now we're ready.
So, the roasters over here.
Guys, we're going to take out the crackers then put one side.
Shit.
Yeah,
Land.
so we can get some space.
Yeah.
Crackers is like dumplings. They are heavy as well. Too.
Yeah man, them are full of the belly man.
You see, the ship land.
10 of them are crackers, the belly come up.
Swell up.
And when you eat them without cook them, then taste different than them full of belly. Alright, so we're going to do let's show you lobster first.
Holy mix.
Nice, so pot in the one. So we are on bone the fish. And Arakina in the cook. Kadi come and tell us the kina bone up the fish.
No, lobster chest
Bone up the
lobster.
lobster.
But everybody on the video say everything will go on. So boy, if you want to practice telling lies, they know what go on.
Yeah, John, hot, you know.
Oh, right.
Pretty. Pretty. Jeez.
Who want fish? You want fish? You want fish?
You don't want fish?
Man, I'm tired of fish.
What do you mean by I'm tired of fish?
Tired of fish.
What you say? What you say? W?
What do you mean by I'm tired of
What you
fish?
say? W?
Why? Tired of you? Why? I'm tired of swim around, brother.
Tired of it. What do you want? Chicken?
I want pork if you eat pork.
Fire burn.
Why?
Fire. You eat pork? It's not good. Really. Some people will kill me, but guys, yeah, that is it.
I want to eat some man.
Yeah, the pork fans them out here, you know.
Yeah, but it's not really a healthy thing.
Yeah,
Cameron,
man, that is it, my brethren.
you say the ship.
Nice place.
That.
Lobster. Hold on.
The sauce.
You ever want to get that one?
The ship as the dog.
Yeah, man.
Ship as the
So guys, I'm tired of fish.
fish.
So I eat lobster.
Yeah. Alright, so.
Nice, man.
Yes, guys, so see it there? The ship has land. Look how beautiful that is. Remember, if you want to link up with the Cameron family, you can also do so. You come and get this nice, wonderful food adventure thing, you know. Cannot go wrong. The link will be in the description. And also, once you reach the channel, you can contact him and say, Cameron, you come book, you know. Them now come look. So see there? Ready. Boy, 10 out of 10 plus minus nothing.
Nice, man. Have a nice flavor.
So guys, you know what I'm going to enjoy now. Thank you so much for watching Key Life in Jamaica. Remember to check out Kieran Adventures, you know. And the next upcoming YouTube I'm gonna start here.
Malcolm Mosquito, man.
Alkaline.
So they hold him around this.
Yeah. I know we have Demo and God see me here. Check out the link as well. She's on the road to 500,000. You know, so once she's 500,000, she's gonna eat up one big bag of water crackers for you. Trust me.
That is it, man.
One big bag. Alright.
With a little bit of rice on the side.
A criminal them.
You know Jamaica is more expensive than the US.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
Mm.
Really. Most when it comes to food, but I think it's because Jamaican food is authentic.
Yeah.
They eat trash over there.
Yeah, garbage they eat, man.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Everybody say
Fresh,
Jamaican fish.
You saw when you catch it, and you saw
Yeah,
when you
this fish
cook
is
it.
the real fish, not stored in the fridge,
Fresh.
in the freezer.
Lobster.
Real fish.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.